If you're trying to decide between Shopify versus WordPress for building your online store, you've come to the right place. This Shopify versus WordPress comparison will break everything down simply, and I'll also share the best deal with you. If you want the lowest price on Shopify, make sure to use my link in the description because that's where you'll get the best offer available right now. So, Shopify versus WordPress. Both are powerful platforms, but they are very different. Shopify is a complete all-in-one e-commerce platform. Everything you need is included: hosting, security, checkout, and tools to manage your store. WordPress, on the other hand, is a content management system that becomes an e-commerce solution when you install WooCommerce. So when people say Shopify versus WordPress WooCommerce, they're really talking about the difference between an all-in-one solution and a build-it-yourself setup. Shopify is built for e-commerce from the ground up. You sign up, choose a theme, add your products, set up payment methods, and you're ready to sell. It's straightforward and doesn't require technical skills. WordPress with WooCommerce can also create a powerful e-commerce store, but it takes more time and knowledge. You need hosting, you need to install WordPress, you need to configure plugins, and you need to handle updates and security yourself unless you pay for managed hosting. When it comes to ease of use, Shopify is clearly ahead. Its dashboard is user-friendly and designed for beginners who just want to start selling. WordPress offers more flexibility and customization, but it can feel overwhelming if you're not used to managing websites. So in this Shopify versus WordPress review, Shopify definitely wins for simplicity. Now let's talk about customization. With WordPress, you can build almost anything. There are thousands of themes and plugins that let you change every part of your website. If you're looking for a very unique e-commerce store, WordPress is incredibly flexible. Shopify offers professional themes and an app store with extra features, but it doesn't give you the same deep control that WordPress does. However, for many people, Shopify's built-in tools are more than enough. In terms of cost, Shopify has set pricing plans that include hosting, security, and support. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, domains, premium themes, and plugins. WooCommerce is free too, but some of the extensions cost extra. Depending on what you need, WordPress can be cheaper at first, but Shopify gives you predictable pricing and less hassle. Another key part of this Shopify versus WordPress comparison is scalability. Shopify is designed to handle large e-commerce stores with high traffic without you needing to worry about performance. WordPress can also scale, but you'll need strong hosting and some technical management to make sure your site runs smoothly. For Shopify versus WordPress SEO, WordPress is often considered stronger because of plugins like Yoast SEO and its powerful blogging features. Shopify also has built-in SEO tools, and you can install apps to improve optimization, but you won't get quite the same level of control as you do with WordPress. If content marketing and blogging are a huge part of your e-commerce strategy, WordPress has an edge. Support is another big difference. With Shopify, you get 24/7 support through chat, email, or phone. With WordPress, there is no official support, only community forums, tutorials, or hiring developers when you need help. That means Shopify gives you peace of mind, while WordPress gives you freedom but leaves support in your hands. So, which is better? Shopify versus WordPress for e-commerce. If you want something simple, reliable, and fast to set up, Shopify is the clear winner. It's perfect for beginners, small businesses, and entrepreneurs who just want to focus on selling products without worrying about technical details. If you need total customization, advanced SEO control, and you're comfortable with a steeper learning curve, then WordPress with WooCommerce might be the better choice. In summary, Shopify versus WordPress e-commerce comes down to your goals. Shopify offers ease of use, scalability, security, and support in one package. WordPress offers maximum flexibility, control, and powerful SEO, but requires more work to manage. If you're leaning towards Shopify, don't forget, the best deal is through the link in the description. It gives you the lowest price on Shopify right now, and it's the best way to test if the platform is right for you. So check out my link in the description, grab the deal, and start building your store today. That's it for this Shopify versus WordPress review. Hopefully this Shopify versus WordPress comparison helped you see the main differences. If you're serious about starting your e-commerce business, don't waste time. Use my link in the description, get started with Shopify, and take action today.